All right, when looking at number 4, the thickness of skin on the human back versus the thickness of skin on the eyelid. A little bit gross, but you would expect the skin on your back to be a little bit thicker. And in that case, it's true. I know it's kind of weird to think about this, but basically they're comparing these two things. So you have a -3 here. That just means that this is actually bigger. It's a smaller decimal. This is a larger decimal, more zeros in it. So you can follow the rules that are on the formula sheet that basically tell you when you're dividing exponents, you can simply subtract them. So when you're doing this problem, you're going to focus in on two parts. You're going to focus in on the base, which is 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 1. And then you're going to get times 10 and then an answer. So you're going to do -3 minus -4. And I usually write it like this because that looks weird. And then you just connect them. Two negatives equal cancel, become a positive in this case. When you're subtracting a negative, you're really taking it away. You end up with 1. So that's 1 times 10 to the first. When you're looking at your answers, that is actually 10. 1 times 10 to the first is 1. You move the decimal 1 place to the 0, you get 10. All right? So that's how that's done. And this is not a calculator question. You're not allowed to use a calculator in this particular one. You might think to yourself, how do I do that? Well, the minute you see exponents, follow the exponent rules. The problem is you got to recognize that it's a division problem. When it says how many times thick, that's a division problem. You're finding out how much thicker one thing is than the other. So you're dividing the bigger number by the smaller to determine how much thicker it is.